Hello there. So today I'm going to show you how we solve linear equation. Okay, guys. Solving linear equation. Solving means is to find the value of a variable. Okay, for example, number 1. 4x minus 1 equals to 2. So over here we have to find the value of x. So following my previous video, I have shown you step by step how to move the numbers to the opposite side. Okay, so here now we have -1. So when we move the -1 to the opposite side, we will change to a +1 and write your remaining 4x here. Okay, we solve this. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Then this is a multiply 4x. So this 4 move to opposite side, it will become 3 over 4. That's all. Okay, so your x value is a 3 over 4. Now, question number 2. 4x minus 1 over 5 equals to 3. So, the same method, 5, we move there, it will become multiply. Then, you just write 4x minus 1 over here. Here's 15. Alright, guys. Now, minus 1 here, we move to the opposite side, it will become +1. Here's 4x. Okay, this is 16 4x. Alright, so here, this 4 is a divide. Alright, so 16 divided by 4. You'll be getting that x is equals to 4. This is your answer. Now let us try a different type of questions. 4x minus 1 over 5 equals to, okay, now I'm going to make the question a bit difficult. I make it into 3x minus 7. Okay, this 5 will move here, it will become multiply. Make sure you put a bracket here, 3x minus 7, close the bracket, and here you have 4x minus 1. Okay, then you solve, multiply both sides, 15x minus 35, 4x minus 1. Alright, now you have to gather the x. Now here you have 4x and here you have 15x. So what we can do now, we gather all the x in one place. So now we move 15x, we move to that side, the opposite side, it will become minus 15x. Okay, while we remain this negative 35 over here. Okay, then you could see this minus 1 here, right? If we move to the opposite side again, it will become plus 1. Now we could solve the both side here. It become minus 11x and minus 34. Alright, then minus 11 will move to the opposite side, it will become divide. Okay, now your x answer is 34 over 11. This is your answer. Okay, now we are going to question number 4. 7 over 3x minus 3 equals to, we just make here around 2x. Okay, now Remember, whenever you have 7 over 3x, please make it into 7x over 3. This is to minimize your error when you are doing this mathematical operation. So we change this, okay? It becomes 7x over 3 minus 3 equals to 2x. Now make the denominator the same. Alright, so here's multiply with 3, multiply with 3. So you'll be getting there 7x minus 9 over 3. Here's 2x. This 3 move to the opposite side, it will become multiply. Alright, here's a 6x. After you multiply this, okay, then we gather the x in one side. So this 6x, if moved to the opposite side, it becomes negative 6x. This negative 9 moved to the opposite side, it will become plus 9. So you could solve this. X equals to 9. This is your answer. Okay, question number 5. Now let's say we have a 3x minus 7 over 2, and here we have 5x minus 4. I make it here is over negative 3. Okay, for this question we have to cross multiply. Alright, these 2 will move there, becomes multiply. 5x minus 4, and then now is the turn for negative 3. We move to that opposite side, it will become a multiply. Multiply with 3x minus 7. Okay, now we multiply the both side. Negative 3 multiply here and here. These two, the same thing, multiply with 5x and negative 4. Please don't forget the negative sign over here. And now we have negative 9x plus 21. Okay, minus minus becomes plus. Okay, 2 multiply with 10x. If, sorry, 5x, you got 10x. And here is a negative 8. Okay, gather the x at one side. You got negative x. Now we have 10x here. We move to the opposite side. It becomes minus 10x. And this number, positive 21, we move to the opposite side. It becomes minus 21. Alright, so now here we are to solve this. This one will be negative 19x, and here is negative 29. This negative 19, we move to the opposite side, it will become divide. So your x answer is 29 over 19. This is your answer. Alright guys. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.